I have the coolest story and such a gorgeous lady. You can see this is Leila. She actually come from Mesa, Arizona. So she and her husband drove yesterday. They stayed in a hotel and now I get to cut her hair today. And she seriously is like even more gorgeous in life. Sorry to embarrass you. I have to like say it. But anyway, she is absolutely adorable. And I'm so excited to cut her hair. So she found me on my channel, on the YouTube channel. And I loved it. She said she watched from like 8 till 1:30 in the morning and was like, oh, so it made me feel so good. So you're so sweet. But anyway, we are going to do a new fun haircut for her. We're gonna get rid of some of this length, quite a bit actually. And you can tell this is all curly. She doesn't have quite as much curl up here, but she has these fun cowlicks. So if you out there have these cowlicks, this is a great haircut for you guys. My sister-in-law has this also. So with a cowlick like that, you either want it long enough to like weigh that down, but we don't want to deal with it, right? Right. So, or you go short, you keep it really short. So she hasn't had it short before back here. So we are going to change it up and we are going to do that. So anyway, we are going to start back here. And what I would do is come to the hairline. And of course I'm going to take my little buzzers and take that off there. But I'm just going to come straight across here. Okay, so I'm coming straight across here. Just combing that down. We can make it fuller, but I just want to show you that because you can see how that's just going up. Isn't that fun without the flat iron? So I'm going to just show her how to style it without the flat iron. Okay, if you have a flat iron, absolutely just grab it, pull straight out, pull straight up, any of that. Okay, 2 little drops of the oil. This just adds shine and it can actually condition. Why it's in there, it doesn't weigh your hair down. Actually will kind of suck into your hair, like to condition it. And it makes it super shiny. Okay, so I add that in first. And then the clay, this is what I use for the replacement of distortion or manipulator. And that's actually probably, you really don't need a lot of this stuff. So you can just rub it in. Okay, and then you just come up here. Oh, getting excited. I didn't really want to like put her into the mirror because I wanted it done and then turn her, but it's all good. You get a peek, okay? And I'm going to show you guys in just a second. I'm going to take a little bit more off through this area. And then of course the back, I'm just grabbing at that. It's great. These cowlicks it's great. It's great back here. So I'm excited to show her.
One time when cowlicks come in handy. Huh?
Yeah, exactly. I'm for real. It's gonna be nice. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is
You know what?
just bring
I'm
this
so nervous about having it taken off there.
right,
In there.
right,
Because I like it.
like longer here. Yes, I'm just gonna. Is it okay if I just take? Yeah. Like this? No. Do you want it thicker like this?
Well,
Do you think?
you know, I'm kind
'Cause
of
I'm gonna
nervous
poof
about
it.
because I've always liked it full in
Okay.
that area.
Okay, so let's poof it before then, so we can get it out. Let me show you.
I mean, it's taking the hair off that makes me nervous.
Right. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm so glad that you said that. We're just gonna take this pin comb and back comb this and get her that height through there that she's used to. And the fullness. Because of course I just dried it, so you're probably feeling like, it's not full there. You know what I mean? Because I just dried it and haven't poofed it.
Oh, well, it didn't feel like it wasn't full enough. I was just nervous about having this any shorter. Around my face.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. I love that. That's good. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. It's so fun to have Leela come, and I appreciate it for all your support. So, you guys have a great day. Go ahead. There's links down below if you need any brushes or anything like that. I can get with you one-on-one for any products you need for your hair. So let me know. I would love to help. So have a good day, you guys. See ya. Hey everyone, I have Pauline back with me. So excited. This is her third haircut, and we wanted to show you her new haircut. So the first time she came, we did that first video, and then she come and we cut it, and now I'm going to show you that cut. And so, and why I'm cutting it, you can just kind of follow along, and we're just going to talk. It's just fun. I want you guys to see. I know in the last video I had said about 800 times how cute Pauline is, but really her personality is phenomenal. She's definitely gorgeous, but her personality rocks. So anyway, we're just gonna chat and stuff, and yeah, she's from Provo. Took him about 50 minutes to get here, and she brought her friend, so it's been a fun day. We've just been chatting for the last hour, and
can you make me look younger in this video?
I love it. See, just like that. Can you make me look younger in this video?
Get rid of those jowls. Can you do some editing?
Yeah. Like she looked good, and then you get a cut, and it's crazy how it can just change, like right off. You know what I mean? It's nuts, especially when you're the one styling it, right? It makes it much easier when it's cut.
Well, you work your magic and then you see it.
You're sweet. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is the clay she was talking about. Okay, I'm gonna turn her into the mirror for a second just so I can see.
Yes, you are the fairest of them all.
Look at me, see, that's so nice.
I got that in
I
my
love
mirror,
you. That is so
I
cute.
have that on my mirror at home.
I love that, you do.
I have it written there just to remind me.
That's adorable.
I love that. Love it, love it.
In case I
Thank
forgot.
What's that?
So in case you forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah, just in case, that's right. It's a good reminder.
Good reminder.
Absolutely.
I think we all need to say that to ourselves when we look in the mirror.
Yep.
Because it's the truth.
Well,
Absolutely.
except for the jowls part.
Yeah, she's talking about her jowls. I'm like, what are you talking about?
I want to, next time we video, I want to put something back there that makes,
The tape stuff, just
Band-Aids or something.
Band-Aids. Donna, can you grab me a couple Band-Aids, please? Oh, I
Just
love it.
don't turn her to the back.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, how does it look?
Smash in.
Smash it in.
Smash
See?
in.
I love it. Okay, Pauline, thank you so much, and thanks for bringing your friends. I adore
Welcome.
you. You
It
are
was
the
fun.
best. So,
Thanks
anyway,
for
I
being
love,
awesome.
love the skunk story. That was the best. So, you guys have a good day. Thanks again for your support, and go ahead and jump on the email list for free drawings and fun tips. So, have a good day. See ya.
Cheerio.